Moving over to the Prusa XL, we've got the reflective filament from Protopasta and a dusty smoke loaded in that we're going to use an Inception PFLAT sheet. So let's remove this protective film here first. And then we'll load in the file. In Prusa Slicer, we are going to come over to the right-hand side, right-click this, change extruder, and change this color to 3. That way our more expensive filament, the reflective stuff, is on the bottom, and it's being finished off by the other color at the top. The first layer has gone down perfectly. Did not miss a beat. Now we'll lay our illusion mesh on top and add magnets. And then the print will resume, encapsulating the mesh with a second and third layer. Usually I manually paint things, and this time I learned that both a pause command and a change extruder command cannot be placed in the same layer. So for this next example, I'm going to just have the pause command take place, and then I'm going to manually paint this, but we'll remove it off the plate and see what it looks like. This is the error we had from it not extruding properly onto the prime tower after the pause. Perfect. Okay, I'll get the second one printed up.